Welcome everybody. In today's class we will be learning how to solve June 2011 CXC math exam paper. So this is the first question. You are asked to calculate 2 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8 over 4 1 over 2 and provide the exact value. So this has a numerator and a denominator. So what I would do is I will consider the numerator, which is 2 1 over 4 positive 1 over 8. This can be rewritten as 4 times 2 8, 8 added with 1 is 9 divided by 4, positive 8 times 1 is 8, 8 added with 1 is 9 divided by 8. Now the LCM for 4 and 8 is going to be 8. 4 divides 8 2 times. 2 times 9 is 18. 8 divides 8 once. 9 times 1 is 9. 8 or let's say 9 added with 18 is 27 divided by 8. Now you consider the denominator, which is 4 1 over 2. 2 times 4 is 8, 8 added with 1 gives me 9 over 2. So therefore the numerator divided by denominator is 27 over 8 divided by 9 over 2. You bring this to the numerator, so 27 over 8. When you bring 9 over 2 to the numerator, it flips and becomes 2 over 9. 2 divides 8 4 times, 9 divides here 3 times, so you have 3 over 4. Okay, so this is in exact form. You can write it like this, exact form, and that is the solution to this beautiful question. So that is the first part of the question, so 1a, and we will move on to do the second subdivision. Okay, the second subdivision is 1a2. We are asked to find, or you can use the word used is calculate also is possible. So 3.96 multiplied with 0.25 negative square root of 0.0256. They are asking us to obtain this value. Now you can use your calculator. See, okay, so 3.96 multiplied with 0.25, that is giving you a value of 0.99 minus, you have the square root of 0.0256, that is giving you a value of 0.16. Now 0.99 minus 0.16, that gives you a value of 0.83, and this is in exact form. Okay, so that is the end of that particular question. Now let us move on to the next one. This is the question. Let me write it down. Now this is the next question. We have this table, so let me draw the table there. Now this table is actually a representation of a bill from the supermarket. Okay, so you have items, quantity, unit price, and there is another thing called as total. Okay, total in dollars. So unit price is in dollars. So the first commodity is rice. The second one is potatoes. The third one is milk. Rice is purchased to the amount of 6/1/2 kg. The unit price is $2.40. Now we will have to calculate that value, how much it amounts to. Potatoes are purchased for 4 bags and the total paid is $52.80. We will have to get this value. The milk is priced at $2.35 and total paid is $14.10. Now this is the subtotal. The subtotal is $82.50 and you have to find out the percentage. You got to find out the percentage of this tax, and it is amounting to $9.90. Now the total the customer pays for all the purchase is $92.40. Okay, so let us start. So this is the cost that the housewife pays for purchasing the rice. So 6/1/2 can be rewritten as 12/13/2 multiplied with 240. This is the unit price. So 2 divides here once, 2 divides here 2 times, 2 divides here 0 times. So I multiplied 13 with 12. 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3, 1 1s are 1, 6 5 1, and you have a 0 here. After the decimal place there are after the decimal point there are 2 digits, so I place it over here. So this value is going to be $15.60. $15.60. That's the value that goes there. Now 4 bags. The unit price I do not know. Let it be some X. We are getting 52.80. So to get X, we take 52.80 and we divide by 4. 4 divides 5 once, carry 1, that is 3. 4 divides 12 3 times, 4 divides 8 2 times, and 0. So this is the price for 1 bag. Unit price for 1 bag is $13.20. Now milk, we do not know how many cartons, so we will have to give it in cartons. How many cartons we do not know. So the cartons, okay, the cartons multiplied by 2.35 will give me 14.10. So therefore the cartons is going to be 14.10 divided by 2.35. So we can actually use our calculator for this. 14.10 divided by 2.35. So that is going to be 6. Okay, you can clearly see there. So you have 6 cartons. Now this is the amount that is being paid. I don't know the VAT. So to get the VAT, you have to divide that whatever amount they pay, divide that by 82.50 and multiply by 100. So the tax that the person is paying is 9.90. So this is the tax, right? So the tax divided by 82.50 multiplied by 100. So 9.90 divided by 82.50. What is that? That you have to multiply by 100. So 12% is the tax that is being paid. Okay, so this is 12% and that will be the total value that is got. So what are the things we found out? We have to find out this. All right, we have to find out this. Fine, we have to find out this. we have to find out this. So this is a unique problem that gives you the ability to understand how the bill works. See, most of the people are not aware what are the components that are present in the bill. So this is a very powerful application problem that is meant to inform the user what he or she is paying towards the purchase. Okay, so having mentioned that, let's move on to the next question.